Hi, my name is Ludas Butkus, and in today's video I want to talk about a cryptocurrency that managed to get to the top 20 on its first day. There's a couple more that managed to do the same thing. One of them is IOTA, and the second one is HShare, which has declined a lot after all the news from China. What I want to say by that is that the cryptocurrency market is still very small. You would not expect, for example, a new company to release its shares and be competing with Microsoft, Apple, etc. So basically the cryptocurrency market is still very small and such things can happen. So let's take a quick look at Cardano and what it is all about. Some specifications: currently the price is around 2 cents, the market cap is around $540 million. The volume is not too impressive. The circulating supply is 24 billion tokens, and the max supply can be basically double that. It is currently trading only on Bittrex on a single exchange. Let's take a look at the website. What Cardano basically is, it is a blockchain for decentralized apps. In my opinion, it's just another clone of Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum has problems of scalability, etc. that's slowing its growth, but I'm not too sure how many of these platforms do we really need. Do we really need one in a single continent, or do we? There's Ethereum, there's Neo, we have an Ethereum Classic, we have Quantum, Lisk, Cardano, Stratus, Steem even, Arc, EOS, and there's plenty of these decentralized platforms. And do we really need another one? Well, that's the question that I want to ask, though. Maybe we do, because every single time a new decentralized apps platform gets launched, it goes really high. So, what's different about Cardano? Well, it's the first cryptocurrency that uses a highly secure Haskell programming language, though in my opinion this is kind of a problem, not a feature that you would recommend, that you would market on your first page. And why is that? Why I'm thinking this? Because, well, Haskell is not popular. It has less than 2% of the whole market of programming languages. So businesses who will want to use Cardano will have to hire expensive developers because basically developers who are using unpopular languages are more expensive because they are more rare. So not too sure is this a really good feature or not to be using Haskell. Another thing that Cardano does, it is a proof of stake coin. So Ethereum wants to adopt proof of stake. Neo, Quantum already has done that. Lisk and Arc has done that as well. And basically, in my opinion, I think all the cryptocurrencies will transition to proof of stake in the future. So this is a quite nice improvement. The project, they have a good distribution of work in their platform. Basically, there's 3 companies. The first one is the Cardano Foundation, which mission is to standardize, protect, and promote the Cardano technology. So basically, there are like academics building the foundation and promoting it to businesses, countries, for it to be used and spread widely. Then there's Input Output Hong Kong, which does the whole development, engineering of the blockchain technology. And lastly, there is Emurgo, which is responsible for fostering all these decentralized apps created on this platform. So that's quite nice. what else can I actually say about it? Well, it's really not that special in my eyes. There's plenty of projects that already does what Cardano do. I could not find something that's really new about Cardano. In my opinion, it's kind of a regular new blockchain decentralized apps platform. They are starting their business in Asia, and I'll probably would vary if it's a good idea to invest in it right now due to all these news coming from China, now South Korea, etc. about all these bans. So I'm not really too sure about it. Is it a good investment or not? So the protocol, what's new about this? They have a wallet, as everyone does. Well, governance. This is something I think different, is that they will be kind of decentralized, but they will also be governing the whole blockchain. Also, they will have a funding, a budget like Dash does. So it's kind of a mix and match of putting puzzles of different cryptocurrencies and putting it all together. So basically this is it for this quick glance of this project. As I said, there's not too much to talk about because it's, well, just a regular platform. We'll see how it goes in the future. It's only its first days. The ICO was kind of interesting because it started in 2015, so it was even longer than EOS, but they managed to raise a huge amount of sum, and they are now valued at $500 million. So that is quite nice. So we'll see how it all goes. So this is it for this video. If you liked this quick overview and want to get all the news about my next videos, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.